Hello, this is the Sony Vinayaga Indian Fireworks 3-inch shell called Backstreet Boys. The shell has a nice opening and emits red and green stars. So I like the color and everybody should try out this shell if they are looking for green and red. This 3-inch fireworks shell by Sony Fireworks Company is called Backstreet Boys. Although you can see there are gangster rappers instead of the famous boy band, but this is a good shell which emits red and green stars as it is visible in the box cover. So anybody willing to try out anything in color should give this a try. The video is of a single shell only, even though this box comes with pairs. Please enjoy.
Now you make the terminal.